Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Xbox One tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to game share on an Xbox One. So if you're looking to share games either with friends or family, or even Xbox Live, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to do that with Xbox Game Share. So Game Share allows you to set up another Xbox as your home Xbox, and that means that anyone that signs into that Xbox will be able to play any of the games that you've downloaded to that Xbox, as well as they'll be able to use your Xbox Live Gold to play online. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with how to set up Game Share on an Xbox One. The first thing we need to do is sign in to the Xbox that currently does not have our games on it. So we want to sign into the Xbox where we're going to be sharing our games or our Xbox Live. And to do that, what we need to do is hit the Xbox Guide button on our controller, then scroll all the way over to the right until we get to Profile and System, and then go down to Add or Switch. So we're going to select Add or Switch. Once you get here, if you've already signed in with the account that has the games you want to share, go ahead and select that. But if you haven't, go down and select Add New at the bottom and sign into your account. All right, so once you've signed in with the account that has the games that you want to share, we need to open up the settings, and we do that by again hitting the Xbox Guide button, going all the way over to the right to Profile and System, and then in Profile and System, go down to Settings. Once we're in the settings under the general area in the left sidebar, go over to the right and select Personalization. And then under Personalization, go all the way down to the bottom and select My Home Xbox. Enter your passkey if needed. And then on My Home Xbox, as you can see, it says when this is your home Xbox, people can play your downloaded games without you signing in. So anybody who signs into this Xbox can play any downloaded games. And if you have Xbox Live Gold, anyone who signs into this Xbox will be able to use that. So from here, we need to go to the bottom where it says Make This My Home Xbox, select that, and then select Make This My Home Xbox. As you can see, it says you have 5 switches left. There is a limit to the amount of time you can assign a home Xbox, and it's 5 a year. So just keep that in mind. You can't just do this like every weekend or something. So go ahead and select Make This My Home Xbox. Once there's a check mark for Make This My Home Xbox, now we need to download the games that we want to share on this Xbox. And we do that by hitting the guide button again on our controller, going down to My Games and Apps, selecting that, and then going to See All, select See All. From here, scroll down to Full Library, select Full Library, and then go to All Own Games. If you want to share a game, just make sure that it is downloaded to this console. So I want to share Rocket League. So all I need to do is go to that game, select it, and then go to Install All. It'll download it and install that game to this console. And then anyone that signs into this console will be able to play Rocket League. Once the game is installed and ready to play, you can also check your library here. And if it does not have that little download icon in the bottom right, kind of like Battlefield 2042 has, then that means that it is downloaded to your console and ready to share. Now, when I switch to a user that does not own that game, you can see that Rocket League now shows up in the games that are available for me to play because it's installed on this Xbox. All right, so that's how you set up Game Share on an Xbox One. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Xbox One tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.